Kini kide ki officer jong ka Institute of Company Secretaries of India ki balawan chakani nganong ba sulong man pensai ki samla pule ya ke jing pule ke baydai bat ke balak banyo nangani ke jika pule bat alor ka kam ke bakin trai hadian bak la pendap ya ke jing pule henne ke singi ka arpa pratre unai lor kini ki officer ki la yakendo ru yakino pathai ke bor ke jela ki bala pensai ru halor kini ke jing pule ke course company secretary ya ke baki samla jong ani ke jela ki dang duna ba ki ba phai khmat chakani ke jing pule Vice President ng Institute of Company Secretary of India, Usham Agarwal, ulay to ba kumba kalong mentahi, hakani kathan jatay lamingi, kisamla ki ba puli yakani ka kos kidan tangkumba sa hajar ngot ay. Bat nakajala Meghalaya kidang dan tangkumba sispa hado sispa san pongot ay. Kumta nakalyang kini ki officer klayawer ya kisamla man phaik mat sakani ka jing puli. Kabalong kumba lais nam tam ay, mereka jing seuru kalong kabaret ba, kaban kot tangkumba hapo arpsan hajar tingka ay. Banyarap ya kisamla ki bakwa ban puli yakani ka kos. Kisamla kilaru banai wa jing tep na ka Shillong College. Kabalong ka college kabala ito da ka Institute of Company Secretaries of India. Shusho ka way ka ban kam kring kisamla puli ban puli kani ka course kalong ro namar kim do kam manage class. Handai kila ban puli na layeng namar kani ka jaka puli ka phai ki kot kisla shiki yeng sa jungki. Lani kilaru ban download link ba ki internet.
The company secretary today is the compliance officer of the company. He is advisor to the board of directors. He is advisor to the managing director. He is advisor to the CEO and chief financial officer of the company. And our institute is building professionals to guide corporate